What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Alex. Okay. My name is Teacher Anna. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Okay. Where do you live?
I live in
Okay. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Okay. We're going to have a speaking test. Teacher will tell the first picture and you're going to tell me the second part, the third part, and the fourth part. Okay? Jane finds the cow. This is Jane and her father. They cannot find the cow and her father are very sad. Okay, now it's your turn to tell me the second part.
Jane is in a car.
Okay. The third part.
Jane is happy.
Hmm?
Jane is in a car.
Where? What is it?
Is good.
Okay, very good. How about number 4?
The father and children is very happy.
Okay. What are they doing?
Is by
Saying goodbye, and who are they?
is children.
Okay, it's children. Okay, we're going to have a speaking part 2. Picture story, clever Fred. This is Fred. Okay, teacher will tell the first part of the picture. And you're going to tell me second, third, and the fourth. Are you ready? Listen to teacher. We have here the 2 boys are playing the football. And Fred is laying on the ground close to the lake with 3 ducks. Okay? Now, it's your turn to tell me the second part.
Honey, two brother is very sad.